I'm Jessica. I'm going to show you how to make Norse chicken lasagna. Okay, inside the box you have your pasta, uncooked pasta, your seasoned mix and your cheese sauce. Okay, then you need a chopped onion and your chicken in strips or in cubes. So what I did, I first cook my onions and my chicken, and then I've got my pasta that I boiled. Okay, after you brown the chicken and onion together, then you put your seasoning mix and a little bit of water, stir nicely, then you pour it inside. Okay, then you stir nicely until it's thick and smooth. Okay, it looks like the pasta is ready. It's soft. Then you drain the cooked pasta. After you drain the pasta, then you put it in a bowl. Okay, now the chicken is ready. Now you've got your cheese sauce in rapidly boiling water, about 300 ml water. Now you start putting the meat over the pasta. Now you spread the meat, nice and easy. Let it cover all the pasta. Now you grated some cheese. Now you pour the cheese sauce on top of your meat. Okay, now you cover the meat with the cheese sauce. Now you're using your grated cheese. Throw it nicely on top. Cover the cheese sauce and the meat. Nice. Okay, now all is covered. Right, now it goes into the oven. Right, 190 degrees. Now you bake it till the cheese is golden brown. And it's done.